When I started this real estate journey and actually went all in, ang dami nagsabi sa akin na you're not gonna do it or you're not gonna make it, you know, the naysayers. But here I am. It's my second time being here sa Toronto. Actually, third time. One was a vacation and two was for this event. So, dun sa mga nagsabi sa akin na I'm not gonna do well sa real estate, I hope you guys are still following me, and I know some of you guys are and seeing my stories. So dun sa mga na-inspired ko naman, just take action, guys, kasi the more you wait, the more na mas matagal mo ma-achieve yung goal mo. Pero pagka you take action, you know, it may take a little bit longer, pero at least you're going after your goals.